Hi. If you are a qualitative researcher looking to analyze your focus group interview word transcript, or you have qualitative data in the form of customer feedback, then I think one is you can do data sorting. You can look at all your analysis questions and click on any of those hyperlinks to take you to the right answer across all respondents. You can also click on the summary or the specific video for that interview for that particular individual if you are interested in. Two, you can look at qualitative coding. What is qualitative coding? Coding is where each sentence gets coded in the form of brand, trust, positive. So you can have two levels along with tonality. And you can look at this in the form of coded transcripts where the code and tonality and category is embedded in the comment section of the Word document. Or you can have in the form of an Excel file by can simply auto filter by each respondent, by gender, by different filters, by analysis question, and you can look at the code and also validate whether the code is correct or not. You can look at how different codes have been grouped to create higher level category and also the corresponding tonality for it. So you can easily click on the autofilter option to navigate through all your data points. Three is you can also assign numbers to the codes and net, especially if you're looking at open-ended qualitative data in surveys. Three is thematic maps where you're looking at different forms of charts. For example, here is a chart of how different codes and themes are been plotted by the number of mentions versus importance. Thank you.